Hello everyone, my name is Bumi. Welcome again to my channel, Gardening with Bumi. Loving what you grow and eating what you grow. Anyway, in today's video, it's just gonna be an update from my last video. In my last video, I was showing you how I was trying to bring all the stuff out for the winter from my greenhouse. For right now, my greenhouse looks like this. It's empty. Hey, it's not yet clean, so guys, don't come for me in the comments and say, oh, your greenhouse doesn't, it looks so nasty. I know, guys, but I am working on something. But anyway, unfortunately, we're going to be having another 2 days of hard freeze, and I'm sure a lot of my crops are not going to be able to survive. So I am going to, the ones I've already planted, I'm going to cover them with, I have a little blue tab that I can cover them, and with what, anyway, in this raised bed here, last year I planted some okras in here and no, tomato, but it didn't do well in this raised bed. So this year I decided that I'm just going to plant my garden eggs. So from my last video, you saw how I started started planting this from seeds and how it germinated. So if you haven't watched that video, it's going to be sure to go to, I'm sure I'm going to click up somewhere around here where you will see it. So this is the African eggplants, fingers crossed. I got some marigold, which is supposed to deter insects. Same thing here. So I'm only planting 2 of them. I realized I did it a Google, and it says that companion plants for eggplants are like spinach, and some that can deter insects is marigold and some other stuff. So that's why I'm doing that. This is the newest raised bed that I built. So proud of myself. So I just went to Home Depot and just got some this wood, non-treated wood. I'm so sorry guys, it's really, the traffic is so high so my house is just behind a very busy street, so there's a lot of traffic going on. So anyway, and I just wanted to do this to show you the before and after the freeze. So what I did with this one, that I just bought it, and I'm going to be planting these bitter leaves, which is doing all nicely. So all 2 of them are going to go in there, but it's going into the greenhouse. I'm just going to wait out these 2 days of freeze. And so what I did was that I bought it, put it together. For those of you, I am not a carpenter, so carpentry is not my best. So I just decided I wanted to do this. So as you can see, there's like a little nail out by the side. Yeah, I'm going to find a way of clipping it. But I just wanted to do this. And, you know, I had a crepe model here, which I had my husband uproot for me, but that's the stump. It's so high, that's a rock. I can't do anything else with it, but I'm going to try and clean up this area. This is the new longevity spinach that I'm propagating. It looks like it's doing something, but I think last 2 days it was cold. The temperatures dipped to like 20, so some are really look like they're dying, like the ones up here, but it's all good. It's my strawberries, ever bearing. If you want berries to keep coming back every year, you can invest in ever bearing, but also it's also good to get some June bearing berries. So this is ever bearing strawberries, so meaning that it's going to keep producing. So the grower had bought this from said to me that, oh, it's the one over there in that tower, that as long as when summer is over and winter sets in, just cover it up with straw, it will hibernate. In this here, I think I'm going to grow some more veggies in here. I just don't know yet. But right there is my Swiss chard from last year. It was dormant during the winter. I thought it was dead, but hey, it's growing back again, so that's a win-win. This is chives from last winter, some green onions that I planted. Over here you have some peppers. So go to watch my last video, showed you how this also I grew from seeds. This is the rest of the longevity spinach that I'm going to be using to propagate some more. Over here is my strawberries. The one in the green planters are June berries, meaning that they're just going to produce so much, and after which you finish producing, that's it. But over here, just like the one on the tower over there, right there, this one also are ever bearing. So Over here, last year I planted some okra in here, but I'm not going to do that. So in order to make use of all the space, so over here I have the eggplants right there in the middle. Hopefully it's going to revive, fingers crossed, guys. But this is one of the ones I'm going to close off. This is some bell peppers. This one froze. Let's see, maybe we'll do some with some bell peppers, some onions. Evidently onions can deter onions and cilantro, bell peppers, so we'll see. There are chives that also grew back in this box here, guys. Is, if you remember from my last video, I was saying I was going to replace this raised bed because it was had rotted out. So I was able to get this from Epic Garden and it was on sale. I just got two and it was so easy to put together. It took only 3 minutes, like they said, truly. And so what I did was that I just replaced it with, took out the old one, put the new one in, and so I have some tomatoes plant growing there. Tomatoes over there, tomatoes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is one of the, I'm going to cover all of this with the blue tap. I'm going to cover everything. The strawberries that are on this plant are here top. I think I should be able to bring it into the greenhouse. I'm going to check and see if the temperature doesn't drop below 20. I think they'll be fine. All of these are going into the greenhouse. Now the newest addition to my yard is this green thing called crop cover. It's 6.6 feet by 6.6 feet by 3 feet and 6 inches, 6 feet. Very easy to put together. It took me like 5 minutes to put it together. So that's where all of these tomatoes, everything you see in there, all of them are all going to be going into the greenhouse because I just don't want to lose anything. I have some peppers that I have harvest. So what I did was that I put these papers together and I just like that. And over there to the corner is one of the raised beds. The blueberries that I had in there kind of like died. I don't know what happened to it, guys. I had to go buy another one, you know. So, and these blueberries are very expensive, so if you can grow your blueberries, best. So that's it. That's the blueberries, because usually you have to have 2 so that way they can pollinate, something like that. So this is the one from 2 years ago. It's beginning to do something. I can see some little buds on it. It's beginning to bud. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, right there. So you can see right there on the bottom. And this one I just got. I'm gonna leave the rosemary here, stuff like that. Okay. So this little crop cover has 2 zippers. So I just kind of rolled it up and tied it up right there. It has 2 zippers that you can zip all the way down and covers everything, so you won't have issues with bugs. That's the main reason why I bought this. And as you can see, there's some tomatoes right on this. Peppers, tomatoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to harvest the tomatoes. Anything that is ripened already, I'm going to harvest them and take them. What a big fly. Make sure that, you know, I take everything into the greenhouse. And now, I don't know what happened to this miracle leaf. I think I took it out and then I realized that they're very invasive. So I put it back in the pot. Hopefully it's going to grow back. And somebody was saying they're so easy to plant. You just put them down and they start, I don't know, we shall see. So here's some peppers over there and here. And so there you have it, guys. That's all I have for you today. Let's keep fingers crossed and let's see. I'm going to do another update so that you can see after the 2-day hard freeze what is left of my garden. Oh Lord, please let everything just stay the way it is, so that way I won't have to spend money to do a lot of things. So over there in that bed, I'm still trying to find a way to raise the, you know, because I kind of don't like this. Over in this corner where my husband uprooted the crepe model, I am going to have this little spot here for my okra and that spot over there for okras. Okras are late planters. You can't plant them yet, so I'm not going to be doing anything with okras until probably April. And so that's it, guys. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. If you have any question, leave your comments in the leave your question in the comments. I'm not the expert, I'm just showing you my journey. I enjoy gardening, and you also can. It's very, very, very therapeutic, and it's good to get your hands in the dirt, get all the minerals and stuff like that. So with that is said in mind, that's all. I really love this crop cover. I couldn't get another one. I believe I bought the last one, it just sold out, but it's very good. So until next time, when I'm giving you the updates after the 2-day hard freeze, take care of yourself. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that way you will not miss any video that I post. And so I will talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Bye.